New consultants, you got this! Our starter kit inspires you from the top to the bottom of the box, that is. You'll be styling with this new bag, too. Dig in! Your brand new guide is fresh and fun. Take a peek! Yay you! And in a nutshell, you'll find these headlines that outline simple steps to get started. Intrigued? Yup, me too! Let's look a little closer. Well, of course, first things first, setting up shop with things you can do right away, like create your online presence and start your training. Just aim and tap for more info and more training with QR codes. They are everywhere. This one links to a video on setting up a VIP group right away. Cool! Here's another one to set up your consultant office. Yes, please! Next, open that box. We thought if a new consultant wanted to share just one thing about each product, what would it be? Voila! That's the only copy on this beautiful spread. Oh, but there is a tip about the party cards. Yes, they got an update too. What's your style? Party, demo, class, workshop, online social influencer. No matter what you call it, there are lots of ways to party, so you get to do you. A good clean habit builds to a full calendar so you can knock it out of the park. And pull out this perforated page to keep all your vital info handy. Wait, almost done. Time to grow. Of course, every consultant can make a bigger impact from day one. Because by sharing, you do make a world of difference. You can literally start one day and help someone else start the next day with what's in the kit and on the brand new landing page on the resource. One page that goes hand in hand with a guide with extra training tools and encouragement to dive deeper. A quick 1-minute video of each section walks them through what to do first. Next, you get the picture. The headlines from the guide are here as well as next steps. And the party tools are here, all packaged together. Guide, videos, resources, everything a new consultant needs to get started right away. What do you think? Are you excited to use these new tools? Let's hear some virtual high fives and shout outs from the audience now.